INTC. Intel Corporation. What has happened to this, man? Did a podcast late August. I had it entering a stage 4, or potentially. We're going to see when I zoom in on the weekly. But this is right after the bell, or there was earnings today for Intel. Well, when this is going to be broadcasted yesterday. And the price action actually right now is at 46.59 the last time I checked. Just do a little line here. Wow. Okay. So price action, this can be a long wick. And remember on those monthly candles, noise. Oh, okay, here a bigger move. Strong advance, sideways move, a lot of noise, a lot of volatility, and huge. This one, the monthly candle close, losing almost 10% during the month. Big warning sign. And after that, when you had that close here, that monthly candle close in September below the 12-month average, that was your telltale sign to get out of there. If it goes back up, well, it goes back up. Then you have to wait, just like here. You exit, and then when it rebuilds and it's ready to explode, you join in right there when it breaks out. Right now you're below, and now it's that 12-month moving average going down, up. Whoa, still going up. But you have a lot of candles, a lot of work below it, not above. It's started flattening it out. And right now, if that price holds at that 46.50 line, well, that price action is going to keep going lower and lower. And then we're going to start having a declining 12-month moving average, higher prevailing trend. Stan Weinstein said always look at the higher trend to make sure it's in harmony. Don't go against that flow. And until I have a close, here it gapped up, until I have a monthly close above $50, you can't play this long. And if you get above that, then there's going to be eventual resistance at 56. But we're closer, especially now that price at 46.50, 59. We're closer to a stage 4 breakdown on the monthly candle chart. Ooh, even here had a gap down. Okay. See, when it goes up, green. When I'm looking for that support, I'm looking for a red candle close. So I know that's where the month decided not to go down lower, brought the price action back up. So that is my monthly defined big breakdown. And that would give me a measured move. All the way down here to 2017. Gonna run into some support turn resistance. What? No. What? Resistance turn support. Right about here. So I'm not quite sure about that big measure move, if that's appropriate. Sometimes when I don't see the harmony or the symmetry in my targets, I kind of re-look at the chart. Was I overestimating? Mischose that support? Is there going to be another pattern? What else? The one I have here. So it started the month gap down and then went all the way back up. And that gap down might even disappear when we won't have green anymore. So it's going to continue and might have a real gap down on the monthly if it closes below that 45, 46 area. Okay, so that could be some more monthly defined. So 12-month moving average still going up. Price action below it. Let's just see how the months close, guys. So that's for the monthly candle chart. It's in a stage 3 right now. Intel. Stage 2, very nice, pulling away. Getting further and further away from that 12-month moving average, that 30-week moving average. Down, gap down, close below right here. If ever you were in, this was your last call to get out. Sideways move, starting to underperform the SPX below a declining 30-week moving average. but the price action came back up. See that Ichimoku cloud, how it's helping you, bringing you back up. So the stage 4 actually on the weekly is not there yet. August. Here, I think I was starting to look at a stage 4. But as long as you're not through the Ichimoku cloud, below monthly defined support, close below monthly defined, weekly defined support, that's the weight of evidence that the stock needs some more time to digest to see if it's going to stay in the stage 3 or if it is going to decide to continue into a stage 2, guys. For the stage 2, this is my monthly defined support. I have some weekly defined support right here. And that's what you'd be looking for if you'd be looking for the bullish case. But right now, if that closes hold for 46.50, all the way down here, we're gonna be back below 30-week average, etching back towards that Ichimoku cloud, the bottom of it, and our breakdown lines right here. What do I have here? Red candle, a lot of volume. Down, contracting volume on that up, those up moves. Definitely still stage 3, guys, for intc. Stage 3, even starting to outperform the SPX. So really, you want that price action to start at 46.50. You want it to go down, test, and then after that, close, monthly close, by the end of January, below this level right here, at 44.75, and that's probably going to make the Mansfeld relative strength. You'll start underperforming this PX, and that'll be your cue to enter right there, short-wise. So Intel, always wait for that end of month. Make sure the higher trend's in your favor. Right now, it's still in the stage 3. We're still in the stage 3 on the weekly. But right now, we could be edging closer to a breakdown line. So keep an eye on Intel. If that one drops, that could drag down some other semis. All right, guys. Thanks for listening. Bye.